Hello everyone, Raza here. And yes, I know I'm using Scream Corner, not OBS, and I'm using my old sprite from V1, but it will be updated in all sorts. Anyways, I'm gonna do I'm here to announce that I'm doing another off project, if I should say, called YMM What Ifs. If you don't know what it means, I'll give an example. Like, what if Cherry saw Austin while she was leaving the shower and killed him? And I will give my original plan and the plan that was used for YMMR V1. So I want to see you guys' suggestions down below in the comments, and I'll pick out a few and do my own, and maybe some of my friends can give suggestions too. So I would like to see you all next time. Bye bye.